Now, if we have our website and we want to track how well it is doing online, really the granddaddy of tools to use is what's called Google Analytics. And this is a tool you're going to go open up and you're going to add your website, and it's going to give you some verification code that you put on the top of every single page of your website. So, actually sometimes I think it has you do it at the bottom, but you're going to put it in some code into your page, okay? And then from there, every time someone loads the page, and you can see that in here if I just pull up the source code and I look for let's see here, Google, yeah, it's here in our tag manager is where it's putting that right here. But this is the code that it's going to utilize to gather this data for every user. And you can see here on the dashboard, how many people are on, how much time, what the bounce rate is. The bounce rate is when they come and immediately leave. Are we getting the organic traffic directly? They're typing it in. Is it a referral from somewhere, or social media, or something else? What pages are they viewing? How active our users are over time. Session data, it looks like more desktop and then a little bit of mobile and tablet. And then, just retention of users and different goals we've set up, things like that. And we can dive in, real-time data that we want to see on people that are on the site right now. We can also look at audience data. Maybe we want to see where they're coming from, or, let's geo here. Let's go to location, how old they are, or all kinds of fun data that you can pull up. We can look at the US here, and everybody's coming from Utah, and we can drive down to the city and where they're coming from. Just again, some really interesting data to look at. But if people are signed in their Gmail and they've given their gender and age before, we can pull that data and tie the two of them together. And so you can start making a lot more, educated decisions with this data. You can see what they're doing on your site, how they're interacting with different pages, how they're checking out, things like that. And Google Analytics is a tool you need on your pages. There's another tool, again, we talked about in a previous video called Search Console, right? And Search Console is a tool that will allow us to see how well our page is performing. Let's go to performance here, and you can see in the last 3 months, when people type out dixie.edu, how many clicks are we getting, how many times are we showing up, where on that list are we showing up, like, the click-through rate, meaning for every 8,000 we're showing up, 560 are clicking on it, and where is our position. In this case, we're looking at position 19. And I think people are looking for the testing center on this one. That's the one we have tagged with this account. Another thing you can go look up other than Search Console is the Google My Business. Now, I don't have Dixie's here, but I have Ace Academy, which is very similar. And this is something we're going to be able to use to look at how people are interacting with our page on google.com. So we can, put in our address here, put in our hours, we can add pictures, information on our page, and insights we can look at to see, what are they doing to look us up, are these direct or discovery or branded, who are viewing our site. This is either on search or finding us on a map. Are the users requesting to call us? Are they getting directions to our website? Are they clicking on it? And again, just more data that we can use. You can look at phone calls, that people are using to click on our number. Are they looking at our pictures and, just other data on there. You can also get into your reviews. So if people leave reviews, you can respond to them. Edit some of the photos that are being uploaded and whatnot. So again, I just wanted to show you those tools that give you more insight on how your website might be used, and just monitor that data as you need it.